Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are you? Today is such a fun video because we are going to be creating this look together. It was very simple and very easy. I watched the SHANIA TWAIN documentary and to say it changed my life is an understatement. But how extreme does that sound? Are you laughing? I said the SHANIA TWAIN documentary changed my life. So good. I've loved SHANIA TWAIN. I've grown up listening to her because my mom loved her as well. She is just a queen and so inspiring in so many ways. So I definitely recommend that you go and watch it. It is on Netflix right now. But her hair has always been iconic, still to this day, but it showcased a lot of her hairstyles from the 90s, just her blowouts. She had big curls. She just had like the whole effortless bombshell look, and I was just obsessed with all of it. So today I'm recreating this look. We're gonna put some pictures on the screen. These are pictures from Pinterest and Google Images. This was from the 1995 Billboard Music Awards, I believe, and full on 90s. She just looks absolutely stunning, and I'm just trying to recreate it here. These are the results of what we did. If you're interested in learning how to create a very like voluminous, effortless 90s type of ponytail that SHANIA rocked all the time, then please keep watching. She is seriously iconic and so is her hair. So we're gonna jump right into this tutorial together because we need to look like Queen SHANIA. From the photos, I've been trying to find all angles of her hair. It's mostly from the front, but I did watch her singing from that evening at the billboards, and it seems like honestly her hair is in a ponytail. It might be a little bit more intricate than that, but she just has amazing effortless hair. So for her, it might have literally just been in a ponytail. But for me, I don't have as much hair as she does, and I want to get the volume and the thickness that she had, so we're gonna do it a little bit differently. But I've already started by parting my hair kind of to the side so that I can comb away these little face ring pieces that she has, and we'll begin creating this updo. As you've seen, I just sectioned off a piece to kind of be my side bang. What I'm going to do for this ponytail, I do need to curl my hair, but I'm going to curl it once it's up. I'm actually probably going to do two ponytails in the back because that creates like a fuller, bigger looking ponytail. It might sound a bit confusing, but just keep watching. And I think I'm just going to, this is the first time I'm doing this hair look, so I'm doing it with you guys. I think what I will do is I will do a ponytail like this with half of my head and then do the rest of the hair basically in a ponytail directly underneath it, but just to kind of create, like I said, more volume so that when I curl this, there's a little bit more playing to play with and going on. So I'm going to take my Day styling cream and use this just to kind of smooth this hair back. She really only has like these pieces down and a few face framing, again, effortlessly chic. And we'll begin securing this ponytail first. Pulled out like these little face framing pieces, and I'm just taking an elastic and I'm just going to secure it. Okay, so now that that one is secured, I'm going to kind of just flip this ponytail forward. I'm gonna take one of these little hair clips and just pin this out the way. And we are going to take this bottom section of hair and basically do the exact same thing, pulling up the ponytail to somewhere right about there. It will kind of look like a dinosaur hairstyle until we're done. And this is just going to be the base in which we curl our hair and make this super amazing SHANIA TWAIN look. So now I'm going to take my flat iron by Miracomb. I've been using this in all my videos because I'm currently traveling, and it's a hair tool that I brought with me, and it's been amazing so far. It's linked on my Amazon. It's like a curler, straightener, everything in one. So I'm going to turn it on, and it blows cool air out, as you will hear once it's on. So we're gonna do a little montage of me just curling my ponytails, creating super bouncy curls, and then we'll continue. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take a roller and roll these bangs down and kind of like to the side, because hers kind of seemed like they had some volume at the root, but then they kind of were sitting off to the side. So we'll just do that. And for the ponytails, just so you guys know, I basically split them in half and then curled them towards my face, as you will have seen. And now I'm just gonna begin running my fingers through and figuring out how I'm gonna do the rest of this look. What I think I'm gonna do now to kind of create my ponytails and have them like create them to sit a bit higher is actually what I used to always do when I was younger, but pull the ponytail back and loop it through. I'm gonna show it to you guys, but I'm gonna do that for both of them and we'll see if that gets us closer to what we're wanting to do. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull this ponytail back and do a loop. I took out my roller on my bangs and I'm letting those chill out, and I twisted my ponytails up, and I'm just gonna kind of tease this a tiny bit and kind of just mess with it until I feel like I'm happy with the way it looks. It's a bit on the curlier side right now. Oh, there's that little hair, and I'm just gonna spray it a little bit just so it lasts, and I'm kind of just gonna play with it. It's looking fun and funky and just kind of messy and crazy, and just like her inspiration photos. That is our Shania Twain inspired 90s funky looking wild ponytail situation. It was super easy just to put it into ponytails and loop it through to almost create like a claw clip style, but without the claw clip. You also could probably do it just one ponytail. It really depends on how thick your hair is, and you always could pin it and play with it, and as it settles down it will look even more like hers. Yeah, it was just kind of a fun little thing to kind of change it up. I honestly am Shania Twain obsessed, as you guys know, so I'm just living for it, and it kind of is just a fun little look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was super quick, super easy. I can literally see Will's hand in the background setting his beard down. Huh? I can literally see your hand in the background setting your beard down. Well, this one? Yeah. I would say my one critique on myself, but there's nothing I can really do about this, is I would like this piece to be a little bit thinner, but I have curtain bangs, so for it to be long, I have to pull out more hair. But if you don't have super short pieces, you could get that even like wispier like hers. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little fun hair tutorial. Let me know if there's any celebrities you've been obsessed with and need a recreation from me on their hairstyles. Down below, leave a comment. I'm just gonna go out tonight and have some fun with my funky hair. So I shall see you in my next video. Like and subscribe because it helps me out, and join the family where we do all sorts of fun things, but one of them being hair. I love you guys all so much who are part of the family, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!